Hi everyone. Now we want to summary about FBMKL and FCPO. But before we start, we need to refer to our YouTube this morning that we plan to continue buy for FBMKL, and refer to the yesterday strategy that we look for sell for FCPO. This post is on the morning that we found some signal from FBMKL. This signal is made resistance is strong, and this line that we draw is we apply this as A, B, C, and the target is higher than previous high that we already refer to this video at the morning. And when we found this kind of movement, actually we plan to sell. We plan to sell, but because of market is dynamic, we put this on around 9:48 Malaysia time. After that, on 10:40, after market moved down 1, 2, and 3, we already saw market try to wash and range. If market have chance to wash and range, we look for this kind of movement. This movement is look like rocket pattern. That means rocket have chance to against this kind of weak trend, or this kind of head of gangster, or this kind of reversal pattern. But if you apply this head of gangster in another way, you already saw head of gangster is changed from third floor to second floor. That means easy to move up. This is a part of rocket pattern. After that, market is rally up very fast, look like a rocket that we already predict for the previous around 2 hours ago when compared with this post. After that, market run away up and break above this previous high. Now after break above previous high, market is show like a sideways. But before sideways, if you want to sell, that means you need to find the reversal pattern first. If you cannot find reversal pattern, it means you cannot sell. And this is a FCPO that we want to apply ARTT version 2 to sell. But one thing that we found for this port, I already asked for this is a rocket pattern or not. If you are a trader and you can compare between this port that's rocket pattern up, and after that market shoot up, and this rocket pattern down, you already saw some movement is different. If you are a trader, you already know this is a rocket pattern that fail. Why fail? Because of some of heads of gangster it didn't follow. If we look for chart after rocket pattern that you think in FCPO, FCPO now you already saw market try to move down but cannot, because if you try to compare between this part and this part, you already saw this part is easy to move down because of head of gangster at first floor. But in this part they move down, but it's not rally down because head of gangster is third floor. But for people that hold short, this is still positive because market still cannot wash and range, and plus weak reversal up, that means market is difficult to move up. Okay, this is the idea, is a real-time pause when we saw market movement. I think today is good day for people that snap the chart and already earn money from this part to this part. This part to this part is, I think, is good enough for today, because we already identify two things. First thing, right, we identify short signal. After that, we notice ourselves this short is already changed from short to long, because this is a rocket pattern. Okay. I hope our member can learn something from this kind of movement. Okay, thank you very much. See you next round. And for Penang member, this Saturday, Sunday we have workshop. Okay, and congratulations for new member that join ARTT, and we welcome for ex-student that want to refresh. Thank you very much.